Came out the gym and I'm on my way home and I saw someone broke down in the snowstorm, right in the middle of the snowstorm. So guess what? I thought it was a perfect opportunity to finally get to use my emergency flashers. My emergency flashes. See, I bought that from Walmart. This is good to have on hand. It's good to have in case of an emergency. So, yeah, he was broke down. So I stopped. Guys, broke down. He can't really speak English too well. So I stopped and helped him. And I thought it was another good opportunity to use my brand new portable jumper cables. So we hooked him up, but unfortunately his battery is too dead. So it didn't come back to life. We couldn't bring it back to life, but I called the emergency hotline and they're sending someone to help. So it's gonna be a happy ending. We tried to push it up the hill, but I tried to help him push this car up the hill, but it wouldn't budge. So it was too much of an incline. So yeah, and you know, I thought it was another good opportunity to use my translator app because he can't really speak English too well. He's Latin, Spanish, so he speaks Spanish. So, you know, we were communicating through the translator app, which is cool. And, yeah, they're gonna send someone out to tow him up the hill to the gas station. But yeah, for me, stopping, he probably would have froze out here in the snowstorm. So, another life saved. Peace. Peace. Okay, so there's an unexpected twist to the end of the story of the broke down dude. We sat there and waited for like 30 minutes for emergency to show up, but no one showed up. So we were using the translator app to communicate with each other. He speaks Spanish and I know very little Spanish, but yeah. And then so he had come to find out he has a strap. So we hooked up his strap with the hooks, and I pulled him right up the hill to the gas station, and he said he has someone. He left his car there, and he has someone to come and pick him up. So that was that. So make sure, moral of the story, here's a little emergency flasher here that I bought from Walmart. You can get a pack. You get this cool emergency light, and it has a flashlight and a red light. You can put that out if you need to on the road. It's good to have, and it doesn't cost much. And there's also this little thing, if I could get it to start. Hold on. This little flasher, electric flasher, also comes in the pack at Walmart. You can twist it and turn it on, and then untwist it. You twist it to the right to turn it on, and let's see, twist it to the left to turn it off. And it's cool little emergency, good to have. Here's another one. Let's see, here's another one, but two passengers that were making the turn rolled over my flasher. Now I can't get it to turn off. So, yeah, make sure you have that in your vehicle. The little portable, from the portable jumping cables from Amazon. That's good to have with you. And also, what the broke down dude had was a strap with the 2 hooks. That's also good to have. So I'm gonna go get that from Walmart or Harbor Freight or something, Home Depot, I don't know, Lowe's, one of those stores. That's all good things to have in your vehicle. So yeah, I think it was a good ending, and I was able to help someone, so that's good news. I was able to use my cool tools, my cool new, things that I don't normally get to use. And it worked pretty good, worked out good. Unfortunately, the guy's battery was dead and we couldn't bring it back. We couldn't get his car started. But luckily he had those straps. I brought him to the gas station. So yeah, make sure you have your electrical flashers, electrical flares, and the light to have for emergencies, a strap with some hooks on it, the jumper cables to have out, and yeah, drive safe and help people whenever you can that you see that needs help, and drive safe. So have a good night. Thank you. Peace. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I did call, the emergency number and 911, and I explained to them what happened, and they, supposed to send someone out. I did notice when we pulled up to the gas station for the when I pulled him with the strap to the gas station, a police officer, right when I was leaving, a police officer pulled up. So I don't know if that was him. He walked in the gas station. Maybe it was just a random police officer that was going to get something from the gas station. But yeah, I called the emergency. I called 911 back and let the operator know that, told him the story about how he has a ride, and I pulled him to the gas station. And they were grateful. I told them that I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but they were okay with it. She said, she's glad that everything worked out good. So yeah, and that's it.